Politics in an equal money system. Politics in an equal money system will essentially not exist as it does now, where you have a small portion of the population given all the power to make decisions for the rest of the population that the population must live by, whether or not they agree with them. In an equal money system, politicians will have no power to make decisions. Everyone will participate in the decision making. Thus, in essence, there will be no leaders. Politics as a process of debating policies will not be done from a starting point of an individual or interest group trying to get policies implemented that are in their favor, at their expense of others. Politics and government will simply function as administration, making sure that resources are distributed to meet actual demand to each and every human being. There will be terms of administration at the community level and at the global level. The constitutional equality. The fundamental point of life on earth within a democracy is going to be protected by a constitution of what is best for all. Any policy, law or rule must therefore be made within the framework of constitutional equality and be aligned to the principle of what is best for all. Policy. Policy in an equal money system will be done from a starting point of considering what will have the best outcome for all life as a whole. There will be no debating policy as a competition for one group individual looking to get an outcome that serves only their interest, group, individual. The process of policy making will involve everyone, and everyone will have access to the necessary information to make effective decisions that will have the best outcome for all. Only policies which are in the interest of all life as a whole will be implemented. Policy formulation. The Constitution will provide the mathematical and scientific methodology necessary to align what is known to an outcome that is best for all. Participation within the scientific research that will form the base for policies will be according to people's interest. In other words, it's voluntary, and there will be no particular interest groups or research committees that involves only a limited number of individuals tasked with the formulation of policy. Peer review. Once policy is formulated, it is given for peer review, meaning there will be an appropriate review that will verify that the outcome is aligned with what is best for all. The formulation of policy as well as the peer review will be absolutely transparent, as all information will always be published. As a principle, nothing is allowed to ever be secret about anything. No secret societies, no government secrets, no corporate secrets, no secrets to be protected through copyrights and patents. Because everything belongs to everyone, from the perspective that it forms part of the knowledge base from which we produce what is best for all. Anyone will be able to check the way policies are structured and comment or suggest alignments. These comments and suggestions must be accompanied with the necessary proof and evidence that what they are aligning with will bring the particular result. As a principle, every child will be taught the basic mathematics and science necessary within considering within available resources and knowledge what is best for all in every way. Just like everyone at the moment is being taught how to assess and decide on self-interest. The education system will play a major role within it. Therefore, each individual will possess skills of critical assessment and scientific evaluation, which they can apply to participate in policy formulation or policy review. Voting on policies. Each individual will be given access to a computer and internet, giving each one the required resources to participate in the political decision-making process. In terms of the voting, it's not as much as voting system as it is what you are agreeing that the way the particular policy has been put together and the outcome are in fact best for all. So you're not voting on something because you like it or dislike it. You agree that it is best for all and not. As such, It is a completely different approach to voting and democracy, where the principle becomes what you have a say, that you have a say as long as you back it up with evidence. You can't just say I don't like it. You have to prove your dislike is based on the fact that there is inequality within the equation. Anyone that would act, for instance, from the principle of deliberately causing inequality is deliberately causing harm and therefore is a threat to general society. Such behavior will be based on some form of psychological problem, which will then be addressed with appropriate treatment and assistance and education, so one can remove your problem, which may occur because of some chemical imbalance where you become psychotic in your self-interest, or you become possessed by phobias or so on. The principle, of course, is prevention is best cure. It is pointless to act after consequences has already manifested. Preventing consequences of inequality will be approached. So, democracy within an equal money system will be all about freedom in participation, freedom in communication, freedom in placing your input. The only qualification is that the outcome must result in what is best for all, and therefore there will be no such problems as associated with the rule of majority, because the framework and foundation are in their very essence based on what is best for all. Anything that is not best for all is unconstitutional. Thanks. Check the links out, the blog to Economist's Journey to Life, and join us on the Equal Money System forums. Check out the wiki and place your vote for the equal money system. And let's make this reality.